Hey there, I'm Ryan with KHB Construction. Today we are on site in Sacramento, California at a brand new full home transformation and home addition. Now, what makes this project so cool? And this is one of our favorite types of projects because there's a story behind it. There's more than just a remodel. This is an heirloom home. This has been around in the family for over 50 years. Now, this is such a cool remodel that the daughter that's moving into this brand new remodel, her mom's handprint is in the backyard from when she lived here as a kid. It's a really cool heirloom home, and I'm so happy that they chose us to take on this project because we are now gonna bring this up to the next generation and move her daughter in. Now, what are some problems with this home? Well, one, early 1900s. There is very low energy efficiency in this home. We are going to be re-insulating the entire home, new windows, new doors, new home. We're keeping 2 walls of this home intact. We're tearing down everything else. So full new truss pack, all new insulation, bringing this up to 2023 standards of energy efficiency. Now, the second problem with this home, it's old again. It's very boxy. And just like those older 1900 homes where you have a 10 by 12 kitchen in a box, you have maybe a 12 by 14 dining room in a box, really boxy bedrooms. We're gonna open up this floor plan and make it completely custom to the homeowner's vision. We are mixing design and architectural elements as well as modern construction methods that bring up the energy efficiency of this home, bring up the function of this home, and execute an awesome space plan that was crafted by design. Now, this sounds like a big project, and you would be right. This is a $700,000 project in Sacramento. And I want to show you what this looks like before, and I'm even more excited to show you what this looks like after. This project is going to take us around 114 days to complete, start to finish, being here every single day, Monday through Friday. I'm so excited to share this content with you, share this homeowner journey with you. Let's go inside. We are in the original living room of this home, and everything you see here is going to change. So there will be a new entry coming in from the 2-car garage. You're gonna walk in, there's gonna be a nice little mudroom area here. The front door, you have a nice foyer entry. And now the only rooms that are truly staying existing, and I say rooms, it's actually one room, and that is the front bedroom, and we'll go check that out. But in here, fireplace, gone. This back wall here, gone. Everything is getting blown out of this house, and we are completing a brand new floor plan. We got some guys here, we're doing an operational handoff right now, so if you see people on ladders, like this guy, don't be scared. Let's go to the front room. This is the only room that's staying. And by staying, I mean these 2 walls are staying. Everything else is changing in here. New flooring, new drywall, re-insulating the whole home, new ceiling, new lighting, full home rewire. And then in the bathroom right next door, we're actually replumbing the whole house as well. So check out this little bathroom that we got. And this home has been in their family, I believe, since they actually built it back in the early 1900s, transitioned it to a rental property, and now they are just gutting this thing out. So the whole bathroom is gonna get reorganized here. Tub is gonna go in this back wall, new window. We have a tub shower combo here, custom cabinetry going on with also some really cool lighting features we're gonna do. All right, so this bedroom here, so we are going back with a new laundry room. So this whole bathroom, we're reconfiguring the space planning of that bathroom, and then we're actually adding a separate laundry room in the home. Now, that's gonna be about right here in this area. Now from here out, on our home edition portion of this, we're actually doing a den or a study, library, whatever you wanna call it. It's gonna be a very chill space where you can sit down, you can read a book, you can have a nap, you can kind of catch up with some friends, have a drink right next to the new laundry room. All right, so now the fun part here. Now this is the kitchen. And as you can tell with this kitchen, original tile, original cabinets, really boxy, really small, really common for early 1900 homes. We are completely taking out this full exterior wall here, pushing this home out about 40 or so feet and having a wide open custom kitchen. We're gonna have a 45-inch workstation sink in the island, a 48-inch range on the back side here, pot filler, built-in custom hood, all custom cabinetry throughout. On the front side here, which is actually gonna be right about here, this is the existing garage door, we're gonna have a butler's pantry and a main pantry. This is gonna be custom stained wood block tops, floating shelves, lots of storage. It's gonna really make this kitchen more functional than this little, 10 by 12 box we're standing in here. Now this area, once again, this is all getting blown out. We're gonna push this all the way out. We're gonna have an awesome 8 by 6'8" sliding glass door going into the backyard. And then if you follow me out here, I'll kind of show you what's gonna happen in this full addition. All right, so outside, this old exterior is all coming off. Every one of these exterior walls getting removed. A little bit better view of the roof line here. This is all getting torn off. We're doing a full new truss pack on this home. So we'll be rolling brand new trusses about 46 feet out on this addition, as well as the existing home. Now, it doesn't look like much now, but where I'm standing right here is right around where the master closet is gonna be. So we're gonna have a hall coming down. The master bedroom is gonna be back on that end, master bathroom, master closet. And then on this side, we have the den where we were in that room, the new hall bath, and then that front bedroom. So on this side over here, we are taking this out, pulling this out, and we're gonna have that great 8 by 6'8" slider going back to a back patio, right around where that tree's at right now. And then on this side, we're gonna come farther down. We're gonna have another French door access from the master bedroom. We're gonna have a gorgeous master bath, freestanding tub, a beautiful architectural arch keeping the era of this home intact. We have a great shower system, custom vanity going in, private water closet room. It's gonna be a gorgeous master bathroom, probably one of my favorites we're gonna do thus far. That does it for our first walkthrough of this full home transformation and addition in Sacramento, California. This project breaks ground in June. We'll be buttoning up in November. Stay tuned for all the content to come. Check us out on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Make sure to subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.